Today, we're diving into the impressive GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Gaming OC8G graphics card, a powerhouse designed for gamers and professionals alike. This card is equipped with 8 GB of 128-bit GDDR6 memory and features the ultra-efficient Ada Lovelace architecture, delivering unparalleled performance with NVIDIA's DLSS 3 technology. With its 3x WINDFORCE fans, you can expect superior cooling, ensuring your system runs smoothly even during intense gaming sessions. The 4th generation Tensor cores provide up to 4 times the performance with DLSS 3, while the 3rd generation RT cores offer up to 2 times the ray tracing performance, making your gaming experience more immersive than ever. As a dedicated graphics card, it's perfect for office tasks, professional applications, and high-end gaming, powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 processor. The GBN4060GAMINGOC8GD model is not just about power, it's about redefining your visual experience with cutting-edge technology. So, whether you're upgrading your current setup or building a new one, this graphics card is a stellar choice for those who demand excellence. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.